Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I'm in my car, and that means that I'm going on a thrift store adventure. And I'm going to the one that's like really close to me. It's the Recycle Boulevard in Leeuwarden. And I'm just going to snoop around and see if they have something new. So let's go.
These are cute. €1. They look a little bit like the throwing stars from the movies. I really like the shapes, but this one is broken. Oh no. How much? Still $3.25. This one is also broken. And they're asking also $3.25. It's a shame. So why would you have two of these on a coat hanger? So you can knock? So I found a pirate with a black eye. and a clown's nose and a gold tooth. This is an interesting shape. €3.75. Now, one of the things that I got is Daisy. Oh, do you like Daisy? Yeah. So I thought I had all of them, but when I saw this one, I discovered that I didn't have Daisy. So I'm going to put her with the family, and I think then the group is complete. And I got her for €1.50. Next thing I got is this fasting. Oh, hello. So I got it. It says €4.95, but it was 40 euro cents. Now I really love the shape of these, that they're stuck together, and I have something similar like this one that I got in another thrift store adventure. And I want to paint it, I think, with a baking soda technique. So that DIY will come soon. Something else I saw when I was at the register is this, and I have no idea what it is. So, can I open this? How do I open this? Okay, so I think it's some kind of card game. Wait, let me open this. Let me see. Rules, things. Okay, this looks like a cool game. What do they have? And I found my favorites, Ursula and Ariel. Next thing I got is this glass bowl, and this was €1.75. Now I think it was in the previous thrift store adventure video that I found something similar, and it put like paper around here. So I got inspired, and I think I will make a DIY video out of that. Last things in here are 2 more bowls, because when I'm going to do this one, I also want to try on these. This one was 30 euro cents and this one was 40 euro cents. And they are just a little bit different, and I want to see what kind of effect that gives. So this is the haul. Now thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you liked this thrift store adventure video, and if you liked it, please push the like button, and you can also subscribe to my channel if you want to see more, and I will see you next time. And I will see you next time. Next time? Bye. So one of the belly no. Thank you, Pelusa.